greater than, less than, equal to. My right hand, my left hand. My right, my left. Hi, my unique lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn greater than, less than, and equal to. So the first thing you have to do is to know the number of objects or the number that is bigger and the one that is smaller. Okay, if a bigger number comes first, you use your greater than. If a smaller number comes first, you use your less than. But when the two numbers are the same, you use equal to. That means it's the same. Okay, but we're going to use objects for beginners. We have to use objects from 1 to 9 so that you know which is bigger. Okay, so let's go with the object. So these are our numbers. Let's count. 1, this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can tell that 2 is more than 1, 3 is more than 2 and 1, 4 is more than 3, 2, 1, 5 is more than 4, 3, 2, 1, 6 is more than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7 is more than 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, yeah, and 9. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to know. 2 is not more than 3. 3 is more than 2. So if you have 2 here and you have 3, which is more? 3. And this is 2. Remember, I told you when the bigger number comes first, you will use greater than. And greater than is done with your right hand. So if I turn like this, this is greater than. So I'm writing here, I turn greater than. But before then, I'm going to introduce you to the gator. You know what gator is? Your alligator. Okay, in case you are confused to know which to use, if I'm to use greater than, I'm to use less than, think of your alligator. Alligator always swallows the bigger number. The mouth opens, swallows the bigger number. If the bigger number is here, alligator swallows it. If it's over here, alligator swallows it. So alligator swallows the bigger number. Okay, and the tail points at the smaller number. Okay, so that is what we'll be using today, the gator. All right, so now that you know from 1 to 9 the bigger number and the smaller number, which is bigger and which is lesser, let's do some activities on greater than, less than, and equal to. So remember what I said, I'm introducing the gator to you. The alligator opens the mouth to where the bigger number is. Should in case you are doubting, should I use my greater than? I don't know how to do it. Which is greater than? Which is less than? Do not stress yourself, but just still remember, in case you want to stress yourself a little, just know that your right hand is the greater than and the left hand is less than, and you use greater than when the first number is bigger and use less than when the first number is lesser. Okay, but to help you to not stress your mind, use alligator. The gator swallows the bigger number. If it's here, it swallows it. If it's here, it swallows it. So you won't stress yourself and you are good to go. Okay, so come with me. Let's try using a gator. So this is 4 and this is 3. Should in case you still want to count, maybe you are confused between 4 and 3, which is bigger. Let's use our circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Looking at this, you should tell the one that is more. Okay, yes, 4 is more. So the alligator will open the mouth to swallow 4. Alligator swallows the bigger number and the tail points the smaller one. Okay, so let's go. We have 6 and 8. Let's try. I don't know. When we are done, we'll get the answer to know if you are right or wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 is the bigger one. So alligator swallows 8. If you said 8 is the bigger and is less than, 6 is less than 8, then you are right. So clap for yourself. Great job. So alligator swallows 8, which is the bigger one, and the tail is pointing at 6. Exactly, you don't need to count. You know that 2 is more than 1. It's just 1, and this is 2. So alligator swallows 2. Good. We have 5 and we have 5. Good. It's the same. When the numbers are same, you use equal to. No one is bigger than the other, so it's the same. You use equal to. Great job. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. You should know. 1, 2, 3, just 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is more. So what happens? No, alligator swallows the bigger. Great. Alligator will swallow the 7. So alligator swallows the 7 and the tail is pointing at 3, the smaller number. Okay, let's count. We don't know. Some people are saying 8, some are saying 9. I don't know the bigger one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 is the bigger one. So alligator is going to swallow what? 9. Great job. Alligator swallows the 9 and the tail is pointing at the 8. Okay, so we have 5 and 7. Good. 5 is the bigger one. Alligator swallows the no. So we have our 5 and 7. Which is bigger? It's not 5. 7 is the bigger one. So what happens? Alligator can't swallow the small one. Alligator swallows the bigger number. So alligator swallows the 7. Swallows 7. And the tail will be pointing the smaller number. We have 10, 10. Yes, it's the same. You use your equal to. Okay, so in case you are confused, you don't know if it's greater than or less than, how do I write it? Please don't stress yourself. Just use the gator. Okay, alligator swallows the bigger number and the tail points the smaller number. And do not forget, in case you don't want to use the gator, your right hand is the greater than. Anyhow you turn it, if you are turning like this, if you're over here, your right hand, and the left hand is the less than. Okay, and if it's the same, you say equal to, and use greater than when the first number is bigger than the other one, and use less than when the smaller number comes first and is bigger than the other one. Okay, so do not forget, and I will advise you to use the gator. The gator helps you. You don't need to stress yourself. Just know that alligator swallows the bigger number. Okay, that's all for today's class. Please do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to notify each time I post, and drop your comments. Love you. See you in the next class. Bye.